What's up guys, welcome to another episode of the PainCave builds.
Just kidding, but in all seriousness, we are faced with a global epidemic. Wow. We are faced with a global pandemic. It is a reality, it's very scary indeed. But trying to stay positive, trying to encourage you guys. I've been getting very good feedback on my recent content. If you have not done so yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the notifications bell. There's plenty of good stuff coming. If you haven't seen the latest video, click on this link here. Building the ultimate bike wall. So I've basically used scrap material lying around my garage and I've built a very cheap, effective way of setting your bikes up. In some of my recent videos, there's been pictures or shots of my helmets in the background. I've made a very cool hexagon shape. I've cut out a little helmet holder, mounted that in the middle, and it looks stunning. So I've had a lot of comments and yeah, I thought I'd show you guys just basically how I put them together. Also very cost effective, simple, easy. Here's the build labs, enjoy it. Okay, so we're outside now. I'm going to set up the machines. Got the power tools over there. My work area will pack out all the tools over here. In fact, let's just get that done quickly. So park the camera down here and simply just go. Okay, so that's basically the essentials I'm going to need. My wood glue, my wood filler, some 38mm cupboard screws, cordless drill, mitre machine there. We'll be cutting the angles, then just jigsaw, some wood clamps, nail gun, sanding machine, and yeah, let me show you guys how we get these hexagons together. Right, so to make the hexagons, fairly simple. For my specific build, it's 21 centimeters. The miters I've cut at 30 degrees. So if you cut 6 pieces of 21 centimeters with a 30-degree miter on each side, you're gonna end up with a perfect hexagon to fit your helmet in the middle. As far as the actual helmet bracket goes, let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a template of that. I can put it on here. It's all off-cut pieces of timber lying around my garage. So basically just glued them together and yeah, it works pretty effective as you can see in the shots. You'll see me apply the glue in a snake-like pattern and then afterwards flatten it with my finger. You can use your finger or a scraper of some sort. Just the reason for flattening out the glue is just to make it more effective, that the glue covers everywhere on the wood. Once I've applied glue to all the miters, I'll pack it back out in the hexagon pattern, run the strap system around it, and then slowly start to ratchet until there's a bit of tension on the ratchet. What you want to do then is just slightly tap it with a hammer all the way around, make sure all the miters close up, make sure all 6 panels sit level, so it's very important that the surface you're working on is a level surface. Like you can see here, what I do first is I place the helmet mount against the wall, mark where I want my helmet to sit, then drill the holes into the wall, pop the hilties in there, attach the helmet mount to the wall, put my helmet on top of the helmet mount, and only then do I mark out where I want the hexagon to sit, so that you've got even spaces all the way around and that your helmet ends up sitting center in the middle of the hexagon. Attaching the hexagon to the wall is fairly simple. Basically just draw out the inside of the hexagon on the top two corners and make a little arrow in each one of the top corners, and on those two arrows in the corners you'll put two Hilti plugs into the wall, one on either side, and the helmet mount or the hexagon just simply hangs on top of those two screws. Okay, cool guys, so I hope you enjoyed the videos. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of it, what helmets do you use, and did this build inspire you to possibly do something else? Did some of my other builds inspire you? I've had tremendous feedback on the building the ultimate bike wall video. I've had loads of pictures of people sending me in. Thanks for those pictures, it means the world to me. It helps me create more videos to encourage you guys hopefully to do something else. Please drop a thumbs up, subscribe, share on Facebook, get one of your mates. And if you are South African based and you'd like to buy one of these helmet mounts, I do sell them at 399 Rand per combo. That's the hexagon including the helmet mount. You can let me know which colors. I'll leave a link in the description below to my website where I also sell cycling apparel and also various stickers, cycling related stickers. So once again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the content. Keep safe out there guys. We are in a very testing time, and look after your friends and family, and peace out.